Yo, can you mention my channel? Because I have a channel.
Alright guys, we're here today in Animal Rivals or something, whatever it's called. Let's just check the game out. We get to...
What is this? Oh my, go put your hands up.
No, but you put your hands up. No. You playing that game?
Yeah. Oh my.
Wait, alright, let's go check the stuff out. Let's go check the stuff out.
Let's go.
Whatever this is. Oh, this is where you join games, I guess.
No.
We'll do it in a second.
I think this is how you join a
Caps?
match.
Yeah, it is. Alright, let's do a match. 2v2, 2v2. Where's 1v1? There it is. Alright.
There.
Start. Match found. Alright, I'm gonna actually destroy you. Alright, what map? What map are we doing?
Let's do, duels, trenches.
Trenches. Where's trenches? There it is. Alright. Alright.
So,
Hey!
yay!
Alright, I'm gonna actually destroy you.
Match starting.
Wiggly thing.
I'm gonna actually destroy you. You're about to get
What?
full clip,
Round starting.
twin. Where are you, twin? I'm gonna full clip piece you. Oh, get down! I swear I just hit you. Oh, 158? Let's go. W? I won. Let's go. Yo, why is this?
You gotta go easy on me.
I got you, twin. I've never played this game. I'll use pistol.
Round
I'll use
starting.
pistol, bro. I'll use pistol.
Hi. Oh, please. No, sorry. I'm sorry.
Oosh. Oh, where are you, twin? Let's fight. Oosh. Oh. Pop, pop. Oh no. I need to switch my. AK, twin. Oh, scar. Ta ta ta. Oh, 26. I need reload clip. Ah, hit me.
Yo, where's
26?
Monkey D. Luffy?
Monkey D. Luffy? What? Ah, 59. Alright, scoot over.
No! How? How did you do that?
I don't know. I just moved. Wait, we can go in the trenches?
Round starting.
I'm fighting in
It's
the.
called trenches, buddy.
I'm going in the trenches.
No!
How are you not dead? Wait, you're dead? I didn't know you died.
Yo, you gotta at least give me like one chance.
I got
Round
you. Twin.
starting.
I'll use pistol. Only round. Holy round. Ow, ow, ow. That hurt. How do I tell my HP? Oh, there it is.
I can't heal.
No! No!
Gotcha.
Alright, now
Got
I'm
him.
locking in. Don't think I'm going tough
Is
mode.
it? I'm pulling
Round
out
starting.
Aimbot? Aimbot? Guys, they call me Peterbot in this game. Watch. They call me Peterbot. I just missed every shot. They call me Peterbot. Watch. I hit one shot.
How
call
are
me
you,
Peterbot.
Does Peterbot miss?
Yes, I'm kidding. Dead. Monkey.
How?
How many more rounds are there? Oh, match point. I'm actually gonna booty slam you, twin.
Round
I'm using my Glock. If you want to drink a cup, drink a glass of juice. Where are you? Where'd he go, guys? Is he in the churches? Where is he? Where'd you go, boy?
No.
No! No! Reload! Find you? Let's go.
No.
GG's, bro. Me
No.
and my
Yeah, I
monkey! But I one. When the wheels on the bus go, oh yeah, back
I
there.
gotta go with dinner.
You wanna go again? Okay. Oh, home. Where'd he go? I want more guns. Shooting range. I want more guns. Alright. Holy crap! Shotgun? Sniper. This is where I get tough. Well, guys, that's it. That's it for today. I want more guns. How do I get more guns? I don't know how to get more guns.